I feel happy right now to see all your blissful faces. By a show of hands, can I know how many of you do feel happy now? Yeah, most of you. One of the reasons to be happy or you can find happiness is to associate yourself with a team of people whom you like or who share the same passion. What are the other ways you can find happiness? Can you think about the other ways you can find happiness? Mr. Toastmaster, fellow Toastmasters, and honored guests. Happiness, how you can find happiness in you. That is my research topic. When people think about happiness, the first and foremost comes to your mind is what? It is money. People think if I have a lot of money, then I can find happiness. But studies have shown that money do not get you happiness. You cannot find happiness in money. Money can buy you comfort, money can buy you luxury, but money cannot buy you happiness. If you have around $45,000, you can run a family. That is to take care of your basic needs. Anything above that is to take care of your luxury or comforts. Let us say why money cannot buy you happiness. You have money, you buy a large TV, and you're happy for 3 weeks. Your happiness goes down, and your happiness goes down drastically when you know your friend has bought the same TV on a lower price. So happiness cannot buy you happiness. Money cannot buy you happiness. What is the next thing you can think about where you can find happiness? If I got that promotion in the job, or if I can grow my business together. Job cannot give you happiness. Let me take an example of what happened to me. I was going in my career progression. I took a job where I can meet many clients every 3 months. I can fly the best first class airfare. I can stay in the best hotel, but it takes the time away from family. So job do not find happiness. But on the contrary, happy people are successful in job. Just by job, you cannot get happiness, but if you are a happy person, you will be successful in job. And that is the latest research coming from Harvard Business Review. They are talking about how can you motivate employees to be happy so that they can increase their bottom line. And there are studies going on how we can increase the happiness of the whole citizen. So, if money cannot buy you happiness, if job cannot buy you happiness, what else can buy you happiness? Or what else you can get happiness in?
Health.
Quoting Dale Carnegie, he stated that happiness is not what you are. Happiness is not what you have. It is all about what you think. Dale Carnegie is the author of Stop Worrying and Start Living. And he says what you think is what gives you happiness, nothing else. It doesn't matter whom you are, how much money you have, or what else you possess. What I found in my research and based on my experiences, happiness is a mind related. Happiness is mind related. You need to find for yourself where your happiness is. Nobody can give you the happiness, and you cannot blame somebody for you not being happiness. It is always your mind, what you think. Happiness is a positive psychology. You take any situations, you have a positive emotions and you have a negative emotions. The moment when you train your mind to appreciate the positive emotions, positive experiences, and ignore the negative experiences, then you will be happy. To give you an example, we had a bathroom leakage this last week, and it was a mess. The moment I saw this one, I just cleaned it up. I didn't think about why it happened to me, but I was thinking on the positive side, yeah, it happened only in the small space, not the whole area is flooded. Since happiness is mind related, what I found is if your mind is weak, any situation will expose the situation as a problem. You will see if your mind is weak, you will see it as a problem. When your mind is balanced, you will see it as a challenge. But when you see your mind is strong, you will make sure that situation becomes an opportunity. So you need to keep your mind strong so that every situation will become an opportunity for you. We talked about mind related. We talked about how do you make sure that you can live this mind. Be grateful. Have a purpose in life. What do you want to do? Don't worry about the small stuff happening in your life. And live the moment. Live today. You don't have, yesterday is past. Tomorrow is not going to come. Today is what is in your hands. This is what I heard from Master Ugwe. Yesterday is a history. Tomorrow is a mystery. Today is a gift. That's why he called it as a present. This is from Master Ugwe from Tung Fao Pai. So where do I find my happiness? I am associating myself with my lovable family. I find happiness in my family and I live the moment. I find happiness in my pet. I found happiness in eating, hopefully healthy snacks. I find happiness in garden. You can see the garden blooming. Every season you have fresh fruits, vegetables. I see happiness in volunteering myself where I can contribute, where I want to feel my passion. And last thing is, nowadays I'm trying to see what are the scriptures available. Look at this. This scripture, ancient scripture says, you will not get sick if you start eating after you digested the previous food. This is coming from 2000 years back. Look at the same fables you have read. Whatever fables you are reading right now, everything will have a life-turning moment you can think about. Or else you start reading the new books. You can find happiness by being grateful, finding your purpose, live the moment, and you need to have a healthy mind. To have a healthy mind, you need a healthy body. So you start from there. Thank you.